Hello guys, this is DJ Dimaliuat, and in this video, we will talk about one of my favorite products of Philam Life called ACP 100 or AIA Critical Protect 100. I believe this is one, if not the best products that covers critical illness, and we will talk about this in a little while. But before that, don't forget to subscribe in my YouTube channel. Hit that like button, it helps my channel grow. And also turn on that notification bell so that you will get updates whenever I come up with new videos like this. Okay, so first of all, let's talk about the premise why we need critical illness insurance or even life insurance. So first and foremost, this is a study made by PSA, the Philippine Statistics Authority, that according to the latest data from PSA, around 66 Filipinos die every minute. That's about 1,591 deaths per day. So, nangyayari po talaga yan. Of course, hindi natin minention dito ilan yung nabubuhay naman on a daily basis, di ba? So, obviously, mas marami kasi tumataas yung economy natin or yung population natin. In line with this, let's take a look at this data by DOH, the Department of Health. Now, according to them, 6 out of 10 deaths here in the Philippines were not medically attended. So, it means siguro hindi nagpapacheck up na pag may sakit, for the main reason na ayaw na sigurong gumastos. And it's sad, di ba? So also, 71% of the deaths were attributed to the top 10 causes of deaths, which is heart disease, neoplasms, pneumonia, cerebrovascular diseases, hypertensive diseases, diabetes mellitus, other heart diseases, respiratory tuberculosis, chronic lower respiratory infections, and then the remainder are genitourinary system, if I mentioned it correctly. Diba? So, it means that, of the top 10 causes of death are illness-related. So, meaning talagang malaking bagay or malaking contribution ng illness kaya namamatay ang isang tao. Kumbaga nagkakasakit muna before mamatay. Diba? And also, when people get sick, it really burns our pockets. Why? Because ang mahal na pong magkasakit sa Philippines. Alam na natin dito, hindi libre yung hospitals natin eh. Diba? So, negosyo ang hospital dito sa Pilipinas, sad to say. Diba? Kidney dialysis, it would take you up to 432,000 a year. If breast cancer, 438,000, acute heart attack, almost 1 million, stroke, 1.8 million yung gagastusin mo, lung cancer, 2.7 million, just to name a few. So in short, sobrang magastos pong magkasakit, especially if serious yung sakit mo or critical illness. Diba? Also, wala pong pinipiling age ngayon ng critical illness. No? From below 18 years old up to 65 and above, nagkakaroon talaga ng sakit. And of course, based on this numbers, in this study, 36% happens between 18 to 54 years old, 25% between 55 to 64 years old, and then 37% happens 65 and above. Diba? So, ang laki nung concern na yan. Diba? 37% when we are already 65 and above. And most health insurance plans in the country, here in the Philippines, can only insure between 18 to 65. And yung coverage ng mga critical illnesses, even our old product, which is Health Invest Plus, na active pa rin hanggang ngayon, up to age 75 lang yung coverage ng critical illness. Ikaw ba, hanggang anong age yung coverage ng critical illness mo? Type mo dyan sa comment section so that we will know. Diba? So, introducing AIA Critical Protect 100, ang maganda dito, it's a non-participating whole life insurance which covers critical illness up to age 100. If hindi magkaroon ng critical illness, it gets converted into life insurance, either or. So, sulit siya talaga, 'di ba? Life insurance or critical illness, whichever comes first. And then it has an optional gender-specific cancer benefit for male or female. Meron ding recovery benefit, optional yun kung gusto mong ilagay, meaning for the next 5 years after mong ma-diagnose, habang buhay yung kliyente, you get 10% a year of your coverage. Kunyari, 1 million, 100,000 a year for the next 5 years. So, parang tulong yun na maka-recover. And then, payers benefit of on death and disability kung minor yung insured at may nangyari doon sa nagbabayad, which is yung parent, usually, ma-fully pay yung policy. Diba? And also, it's also powered by Philam Vitality Program. We have a different video about Philam Vitality, wherein you get a coverage boost and then you can even earn 200 pesos a week, kung may hit mo yung health goals mo. Ayan. So, ang maganda pa rito sa ACP 100, it covers 57 major critical illnesses. Diba? From cancer, merong heart attack, kidney failure, meron sa about nervous system like Alzheimer's, na coma, diba? And other illnesses like HIV, loss of limbs, terminal disability, stroke, etc. Diba? So, ang dami niyang coverage. Another thing is that, it covers minor critical illnesses. Diba? It covers juvenile critical illnesses, yung mga nangyayari lang sa mga bata. Ito yung list. May Kawasaki disease, severe asthma, Wilson's disease, na posibleng mangyari sa mga bata. Meron pang dengue, hemorrhagic fever, yung severe dengue, kasama yan. And it is claimable until age 22 ng bata. So even if you get a 0-year-old baby, diba, hanggang age 22 covered na siya nito. Also, may mga early stage cancer and then other minor critical illnesses. Diba? So, ganon kaganda yung plan natin. And if you will actually add it up, 57 critical illnesses plus this 43 minor critical illness, 34 plus yung 9 doon sa juvenile, it actually covers 100 critical illnesses for this plan, especially pag kinuha mo yung bata pa lang. You get covered by 100 critical illnesses. So that's what the 100 is all about. Right? So ganun kaganda yung plan natin. And if I may show you gaano siya ka-affordable or gaano siya kasulit, I made a quotation for myself, diba? And I'm 33 years old. Insurance age ko is 34 na because I'm about to have my birthday soon as well. So for a 1 million coverage ng life and critical illness, tapos may minor critical illness that advances 25% of the 1 million, which is 250,000, plus may 500,000 na benefit kung gender specific cancer, in my case male cancer siya, kung sakali man, with all those coverages, 1.5 million at the very least, 30,357 lang siya a year. This is 20 years to pay, so about 600,000 lang, less than, which is about 60% ng 1 million. So even walang mangyari sa akin, which of course yun ang gusto natin mangyari, for 20 years nagbayad, and then covered na ako ng critical illness and life up to age 100. So, tapos na ako magbayad at age 54, 53, ganyan, up to age 100 covered ako. Diba? So, ganun siya kaganda. Another thing is that I also did this for a client na 48 years old na yung insurance age niya. With the same coverage, 1 million life, and then 500 na 1 million life, 1 million critical illness, and then 500 sa gender-specific cancer benefit, and then there's a minor critical illness benefit, 48,685 lang. So if you multiply it by 20, it would be about 970 plus thousand. It's less than 1 million, diba? For a 1.5 million coverage. Kaya siya 1.5 kasi yung 25% ina-advance lang siya. Binabawa siya dun sa 1 million. Yung 500,000 naman is on top of it in case gender-specific cancer yung mangyari dun sa insured, no? So, really, you're getting it at a discount. Diba? You're getting your coverage at a discount. And if you want it nga ng faster payment, pwede rin siyang 10 years. I took a look at the 10-year plan. 91,152.50 lang siya for a 10-year plan for the same coverage na 1 million life or CI, and then 500,000 for the gender-specific cancer benefit. No? So about 910,000 for a 1 million or 1.5 million coverage if magkaroon ng gender-specific cancer benefit. So ganun kaganda yung plan. So this is a sample plan. If you want to ask for a quotation for yourself, just send me your full name and your birth date para magawa kita ng quotation. Message me in my Facebook page. I will leave the link below in this video. Also, another thing, ang kwento dito, my son, our firstborn, Dylan, I got a policy for him, and right now he's 2 years old. For the same benefit, bukod pa dun sa payer's death or disability benefit, kasi syempre ako yung payer, diba? 1 million life or CI, 250,000 minor critical illness, which covers the juvenile critical illness, and then 500,000 gender-specific cancer benefit. So with all those coverages, ang premium niya lang is 12,221.99 a year. Just like 1,000 pesos a month for the next 20 years. Kahit bayaran natin yan for 20 years, that's about 240,000. Diba? Not even 250,000. It's less than 25% of the 1 million. More so kung 1.5 million yung magiging benefit. Diba? So sobrang mura niya. If you're a parent, it's a great, gift for your son or your daughter, di ba? Kuha mo siya ngayon, 20 years from now, may asawa na siya, parang gift mo na rin ito. Para ka nagbigay ng 1 million to his or her family, nang ginastos mo lang is around 250,000, di ba? Na hinulugan mo pa for the next 20 years. Saan ka pa? Ano pa yung hahanapin mo with that? Right? So, for me, that's this product. Ikaw na magsabi kung maganda to. Type in the comment section below. Maganda ba to? Or tingin mo may mas maganda pang ibang product dito? Diba? Again, nevertheless, what's more important is that you get a policy to a trusted financial advisor or to someone who will make sure will be there when you need a claim or when you need to get the benefits like cash value. Kasi may cash value rin ito. Diba? Kunyari, more than 20 years na, kailangan mo ng pera, wala pang nangyayaring critical illness, you can loan from your policy or you can withdraw in full. Magagamit mo yung cash value. Of course, it's a separate discussion probably when I send you a quotation or when your financial advisor, Philam Life financial advisor, send you a quotation, you can take a look at the cash value. Diba? May naiipon ka ring pera dito na pwede kang mag-loan or pwede mong withdrawin just in case kailangan mo ng pera. Again, take note, if you withdraw in full yung cash value, mawawala na lahat ng benefits that I discussed earlier. So with that, guys, thank you very much for listening and for watching here in my YouTube channel. If you have questions, go ahead and type in the comment section. If you want suggestions, if you have suggestions or other topics that you want me to talk about or products of Philam Life that you want me to review, go ahead and type in the comment section as well. And at the same time, don't forget to subscribe in my YouTube channel. Hit the like button, it helps this channel grow. And at the same time, just turn on that notification bell so that you will get updates whenever I come up with new videos in the future. So with that, guys, thank you very much. This is DJ Dimaliuat. See you again soon.